Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're in the Grandscape area. We just saw the Live Grandscape. That's right over there with that parking garage, and it's right here. But man, the benefit of the Live Grandscape lifestyle is you're right in Grandscape. I mean, look at this phenomenal area. It's beautiful. There's so many things to do here. There's all kinds of restaurants, and these are fun restaurants. These aren't the normal. These are really cool restaurants and shops that you're gonna love, and there is nightlife here too. I mean, look at this. Isn't this just adorable walking through here? And you've got a lot to enjoy. This is the morning. The shops aren't open quite yet. They're gonna open a bit, and they're more geared towards more of the nightlife. But you're gonna have some things that are open here at lunchtime, I believe, as well. It's just a gorgeous area. So there's so many little things here to go to. I'm just gonna point out a few of the things, but right over there ahead, there's a concert venue. It's just phenomenal. I mean, look at this. It's beautiful. All these great shops that are here. Some of these are open now. It's a great shop to go explore. But this is a concert venue. I love this concert venue. It's gorgeous. There's so much to enjoy here at the venue. It's really, really nice. I've been here at concerts. In fact, I was over there just a couple months ago, just enjoying. There was like an 80s band, but they have a great sound stage that's here. It's really, really fun. The sound really cranks, and they have videos and stuff. It's very, very cool. And then you've got the great floor here that's all ready to go. So you can have thousands of people out here, and it's usually free. There's Shields that's over here. The Shields is the biggest sporting goods store in the world. There's the Puttery that's over here. That's a indoor golfing venue. That's super fun. There's Barley and Board. It's a great place to get charcuterie and some other things. There's all kinds of eating places. There's a movie house that's over there, and just so much to do. Grandscape is becoming like the cool place to be, and it's safe and it's fun. So this is just a little bit more of the Grandscape area. Hope you really, really love it. This is a great place to live. Don't hesitate. Come here and live.